Hey yo, what's going on with the viewers of the tube? Tyler here, Chico Crypto, coming to you live, of course, out in nature. Yeah, gotta be out in nature. So beautiful out today. California is starting to get that autumn air, which I'm sure most of America is. But Bitcoin is getting that cold, nasty air too. Bitcoin's falling and falling down, hitting 41K, a little bit lower, getting towards 40K, break down into 30Ks. Once again, that's going to be rough because we haven't seen that in a long time. And like I said, the Bitcoin emergency that's all around has to do with many things going on in the markets. There could possibly be a black swan event. I know I've been saying for a while that Tether, Binance were the two black swan events that could really take down the crypto markets. Well, the one in the news as of right now is Tether because of the Evergrande crisis going on in China. So Evergrande is a real estate entity in China that, does a lot of commercial buildings over there, and they are in a debt crisis, bankruptcy crisis. And a lot of people speculate that the commercial paper that Tether is holding is actually Evergrande. So we're getting the 1-2 punch as of right now from China. Of course, Evergrande, but then China announced, they're once again banning cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. But this has created some opportunities in the altcoin space. Uniswap's been going up, DYDX been going up, because you can't really stop decentralization and websites hosted on IPFS, which a lot of people in China are going to be using as these centralized exchanges close their doors on them. But the Black Swan event, Tether and the commercial paper, that's not going to reveal itself for some time. Tether in the past has been able to dig themselves out of holes extremely quick with some, pretty sly moves. I mean, they did the Leo ICO back in the day to recover all those stolen funds. So if it is true, Evergrande, I think Tether can, make it for at least another year, year and a half, or even for 5 to 10 more years. Tether is pretty good at getting themselves out of holes. The big thing we want to be worried about is Binance. So things have been kind of quiet on the Binance front. But Binance has lost, its American customers. Binance is now losing their Chinese customers. Binance is in trouble, and Binance is being investigated by the CFTC. And actually just here recently, those investigations have ramped up a little bit more. They have actually been looking into them for insider trading. I have a feeling that is the Black Swan event that is going to really crush the markets down. I'm hoping, and I don't predict it happening anytime soon. Like I've said in some of my videos covering this, I predict that event to come around December. And then possibly a Tether Black Swan event after that. But if Tether comes at all. I mean, Tether may have grown too big to fail. So what are my personal opinions on the markets right now? And why do I see something huge coming, like I said in the title of this video? Well, the big reason is Bitcoin isn't done. Like I've been saying over and over and over again, the last two raw, you guys. There is too many institutional investors that have bought in around 30K. There are too many big names that want to pull off this last two raw, which means Bitcoin getting up to, the S2F model, stock to flow model from Plan B, which says that Bitcoin should be getting up to 100K, and it actually should be near that number right now. Right now is a buy opportunity, and September is a notoriously bearish month. And not only bearish in cryptocurrency, it's bearish in regular markets too. As we're seeing today, stocks are getting trashed, and that's one of the reasons Bitcoin is falling. The stock market is getting trashed. The Dow Jones is down by like 1.5%. Other markets are just falling. Some top tech stocks are falling, while a few other things like oil and treasury bonds, I think, are on the up. So, I mean, it's just notoriously bearish all around for the stock market as well as Bitcoin. So here we go. September, we only got a few more days left. I would expect us to bounce off of 40K a few more times. I don't think we're going to dip below, but don't put your money where my mouth is. I am not a financial guy nor a technical trader. I really just base my opinions on what I see going on macro, fundamentally. I mean, it's hard to really be a technical trader when these markets are, manipulated beyond even stocks. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is manipulated more than stocks. It's a smaller market, easier to manipulate with the stable coins out there. But I just want to end this video off with a little personal stuff. So I am posting a video like this because I'm just tired. New York, it took it out of me, let me tell you. New York was fun, it was great, but definitely took it out of me. So doing a full-on research, piece is a lot more work than just sitting out here giving you guys a short little, hey, what's up? But regarding my depression, it's coming in. So I haven't been wanting to get out of bed this week. I don't know why, but when that starts to happen, like I don't want to get out of bed at my normal time, I can really tell my depression, it's starting to come. I'm starting to get a wave. So I'm seriously hoping it doesn't frickin' affect me bad this time. I'm gonna try to fight it off as freaking hard as possible. But if you don't see me for a couple of days, it's because I'm feeling absolutely terrible. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't happen. I'm trying my heart out to not let it happen whatsoever, you guys. But I do have a video prepared for tomorrow, so there will be content today, this video, and content definitely tomorrow. It's just, again, I can feel it coming on. So I am going to have another ketamine infusion. Like I said, that I have been doing that treatment and it has been working this Friday. So I'm very excited for that. Just to get, some relief, some clarity. It helps. So that's coming Friday and I cannot wait. But yeah, maybe I can get it in sooner. But yeah, so that is, the content I have for today, you guys. Again, I'm feeling a little bit down and out. Nothing I can do about it. It just comes in waves. Maybe I'm just tired because of New York. I hope that's it. But I can just really tell when it's starting to come on, and I can feel it. But the Bitcoin markets, they are on the downturn. That has nothing to do with my depression, normally when I do start feeling depressed, the markets start to crash, but they've crashed already before it. So hell yeah. But Bitcoin, like I said, I have a feeling it's going to bounce off of 40K. We've been bouncing in between this 50 to 40K level for some time now. So I wouldn't be, too shocked to see a little bit lower than 40K. We get down to 39, but still, I would say a daily close will be above 40K. So you guys, I appreciate all you guys, the Chico Army, tuning in for this video. It is a Bitcoin emergency, as you can tell. The markets are in shambles right now. Most altcoins are down. But if you keep hodling, holding all your coins, things are going to be all right for the last hurrah. It's coming in December, and Chico Crypto will hopefully be around for that. Cheers, guys. I'll see you next time.